Hi, I am Mr. Paul and you are watching Easy Talk. The biggest controversy in India have been continuing, that is Kejriwal have announced that after 2 days I am going to resign from the CM chair. So why suddenly Kejriwal announced that he is going to the resign? When he was in the jail, opposition raised a sound that resonant in the whole Delhi. That is, why not Kejriwal would be the resign? Kejriwal should resign in this time because he was in the jail. Opposition raised a sound, but that time Kejriwal spoke that I am not resigned. I continuing my empire. I continuing my the designation of CM from the jail. So that time Kejriwal spoke out. But suddenly, what happened that he announced that I am going to resign. There was a big controversy. Opposition spoke out that it's the drama because in previous time Kejriwal was continuing with many dramas, and this is a simultaneously same drama what actually done by the Kejriwal in past. Political analysts they also speak out that he want to regain the sympathy from the people of Delhi, from the voter of Delhi, because after 6 months it is going to held the election of Delhi, assembly election, and that's why Kejriwal want to resign to regain the sympathy. And after 6 months, it is going to the election, so that's no problem. That's why Kejriwal want to resign. But there is another very significant point that is uh, Kejriwal take to all type of power take by Supreme Court, and all type of power gone through from the Kejriwal. That Supreme Court, when he got bail from the Supreme Court announced that you not join to the CM office, you not sit to the CM chair, and you not sign any file. So every power from the Kejriwal snatched by the Supreme Court. That's why Kejriwal wanted to quit from the CM chair.